Hi, my name is James Macias. I'm the Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer for Optima Office. And I want to talk to you today a little bit about nonprofit accounting and why I think it's important to have a CFO level experience reviewing your financials and working with you as a competent person to help you support the issues that you might have in your nonprofit. There's three areas that I always talk about with executive directors or CEOs of these nonprofits. One is governance, the other is compliance, and the third is essentially financial management or fiscal management. From a governance perspective, what I like to emphasize is that you want to make sure that your board members are operating on the policy side of the business instead of the operations side. Sometimes you'll get board members that like to get into the operations piece, and you really want to have a distinct line between the two. The second part would be compliance, and so being a nonprofit, there are several things that you are required to do from a federal standpoint and also from a state of California standpoint, or any state for that matter. And one can be your 990 tax filing. You want to make sure that you are filing that at the appropriate time or filing the appropriate extensions. There are certain things that you want to do required to do from a California Secretary of State standpoint. So there's kind of a long list of compliance items that a good CFO is going to be able to walk you through and create a calendar for you and make sure that you're executing those things. And thirdly, it's super important to manage financially with a budget. If you don't have a budget, as a chief financial officer, one of the first things I'll do is I'll set you up on a budget that you can refer back to on a monthly basis, and you can have a check and balance to say, how much am I spending? What do we budget? Am I going to go over? Am I going to go under? Do I need to allocate the monies to some different location or part of a different program? In closing, feel free to call or email me, and we'll set up a 30-minute consultation, and I can't wait to hear from you. Thank you.